Hello children, today we are going to learn new words and talk about environmental problems. Our lesson topic is Unit 8, 70 Earth for the 8th grade. This lesson will be presented by English teacher Отгон Чимэг from Star Complex School. Aim of the lesson. At the end of the lesson, we will able to learn new words and talk about environmental problems. Objectives. Guess the puzzles about the nature, listen to a song about 70 Earth. Learn new words, study grammar using some, any, something, and anything. Practice using the new words and grammar. Homework. Сайн бацхан уу хүүхдүүдээ. Бид өнөөдрийн хичээл 8 дугаар нэгж эхтлэгийн харилцааны сэдвийн хүрээнд шинэ үгс сурна. Мөн хүрээлэн боорчны асуудлын тухай ярилцах болно. Энэхүү хичээлийн зорилгын хүрээнд байгалийн тухай таавар таана, эхтлэгийн хайрлын дуу сонсно, шинэ үгс сурна, some, any, something, anything тодорхойгүй төлөөний нэрсийг хэрхэн ашиглах талаар сурна. Шинэ үг болон дүрмээ ашиглан дасгал даалгавар ажиллана. Хичээлийн төгсгөлд гэрийн даалгавраа тэмдэглэнэ. Puzzle 1. I don't have anybody. You can't see and touch me, but people, animals, plant, and anything can't live without me. What am I? Good. I'm air. Puzzle 2. I'm the most important liquid on Earth. I cover almost 75% of Earth's surface in the oceans, rivers, and lakes. What am I? Good job. I'm water. Puzzle 3. I'm black and white. I'm an endangered animal. I live in the bamboo forest. My families are almost died. Who am I? Good. I'm a panda. Let's sing a song together.
The earth is my home. I promise to keep it healthy and beautiful. I will love the land, the air, the water, and all living creatures. I will be a defender of my planet, united with friends. I will save the earth. United with friends, I promise to keep it. United with friends, I will love the land. United with friends, I'll be a defender. I will save the earth. The earth is my home. I promise to keep it healthy and beautiful. I will love the land, the air, the water, and all living creatures. I will be a defender of my planet, united with friends. I will save the earth. I will save the earth.
Let's learn new words. A climate, a waste bin, farming, install, jam, organic, pollution, power, shortage, solution. Let's one more again. Climate, a waste bin, farming, install, jam, organic, pollution, power, shortage, solution. Now you copy the new words on your notebook, please. Practice using the new words. Task 1. Match the words and make phrases. A болон B багнанд байгаа үгсийг харгалзуулан хэлцүүг бүтээгээрэй. Look at the words on the column A. Climate, wind, make, install, traffic, organic, air, water. Look at the words on the column B. Jam, pollution, power, shortage, solution, change, farming, a waste bin. Look at the pictures and check your answer. Climate change, wind power, make a solution, install a waste bin, traffic jam, organic farming, air pollution, water shortage. Now check your answer. Climate change, цаг агаарын өөрчлөлт. Wind power, салхин эрчим хүч. Make a solution, шийдэл гаргах. Install a waste bin, хогийн сав сувирлуулах. Traffic jam, замын төвжрэл. Organic farming, эрүүл аж ахуй эрхлэх. Air pollution, агаарын тохирдол. Water shortage, усны хомсдол. Study grammar. When do we actually use some or any? We use some for positive sentence. Example, I have some money. There are some wild animals at the zoo. Бид some тодорхойгүй төлөөний нэрийг хүрнэх өгүүлбэрт хэрэглэнэ. Жишээлбэл надад мөнгө байна. Амьтны хүрээлэнд хэдэн зэрлэг амьтад байна. We use any for negative and question sentence. Example, I don't have any money. Are there any wild animals at the zoo? Any тодорхойгүй нэрийг, төлөөний нэрийг өгүүлсгэх болон асуух өгүүлбэрт хэрэглэнэ. Жишээлбэл, надад ямар ч мөнгө байхгүй. Амьтны хүрээлэнд ямар нэгэн зэрлэг амьтан байна уу? When do we actually use something or anything? We use something for positive sentence. Example, I want something to drink. Бид something төлөөний нэрийг хүрнэх өгүүлбэрт хэрэглэнэ. Жишээлбэл, би ямар нэгэн уух зүйл хүсэж байна. We use anything for negative and question sentence. Example, I don't want anything to drink. Do you need anything from the supermarket? Бид anything төлөөний нэрийг өгөөсгөл болон асуух өгүүлбэрт хэрэглэнэ. Жишээлбэл, би ямар нэгэн зүйл уухыг хүсэхгүй байна. Чамд дэлгүүрээс ямар нэгэн зүйл хэрэгтэй юу? If the question is an offer, you must use something. Example, would you like something to drink? How about something to drink? Do you want something to drink? Хэрвээ асуух өгүүлбэр маань хэн нэгэнд ямар нэгэн зүйлийг хийхийг санал болгож байвал бид something төлөөний нэрийг хэрэглэнэ. Жишээлбэл чи ямар нэгэн зүйл уумаар байна уу? Ямар нэгэн зүйл уумаар байна уу? Чи ямар нэгэн зүйл уухыг хүсэж байна уу? Practice using the grammar. Task 2. Underline the correct answer. Look and read sentence, then underline correct word. They didn't organize anything last month. Why did you choose anything for this sentence? Because we use anything for negative sentence. He watched some famous painting at the museum. How do you choose some for this sentence? Because some for positive sentence. Would you like something to eat? How do you choose this something for this sentence? Because question is an offer. Did you see anything? No, I didn't see anything. Do you need any help for planting trees? I saw something strange in the park last night. We have some solutions for saving water. Is anything wrong with you today? You look worried. Good job. Homework. Memorize new words. Do the task 10b, page 110. Write short essay about the biggest environmental problem in my country with 80 words. Thank you for paying attention my lesson.